OnePlus 7T and OnePlus 7T Pro phones are now receiving a new update in India, and the updates bring along a March 2020 Android security patch. The updates also bring along improvements to the slow-motion video feature inside the camera app. The OTA rollout for both the OnePlus 7T and OnePlus 7T Pro phones is incremental in nature. This means that the OTA update will reach a small percentage of users initially, and a broader rollout will begin in a few days, after no critical bugs are found. The OnePlus 7T and OnePlus 7T Pro phones are receiving the OxygenOS 10.3.2 update in India, the company announced on its forums. The global version of the same version as OxygenOS 10.0.9 for the OnePlus 7T, and OxygenOS 10.0.8 for the OnePlus 7T Pro.